Hello guys! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add product categories in Shopify. To start, open your Shopify app and then go to product section. Now add product. Now enter your product name right here. Now enter the description. And then you can also add media or images of your product. And then in this corner, you can see the product category. You can choose any category that you want. There's a lot of available categories right here. For example, clothing, arts, pet supplies, baby, and many more. After that, you can now enter the product type. You can also add a collection right here. You can also add a tag. Finally, click on Save. That's it. Thank you for watching.